Hi everyone, today in this video I'll show you 3 simple methods using which you can easily disable Windows Recall. To get started, simply go to your Windows settings, then go to Privacy and Security. Here you will find an option Recall and Snapshots. Under this, turn off the Save Snapshots option. Once done, you can delete the snapshots clicking here. In the next method, search for gpedit and open Edit Group Policy. Now under Computer Configuration, go to Administrative Templates, Windows Components, and then find Windows AI. Select it. Now select the key Turn off Saving Snapshots for use with Recall. Double click on it and set it to Enabled. Save the change and restart your computer for the changes to take effect. In the third and final method, search for Registry Editor and open it. Now expand HKey Local Machine, Software, then Policies, then Microsoft, then finally Windows. Now right click over the Windows key and open a new key. Rename the key to Recall. Selecting the Recall key now, in the right hand empty space, right click and open a dword 32-bit value key and rename the key to Allow Recall. Double click on it and make sure the value data is set to 0 and save the change. Once done, close everything and restart your computer and you are good to go. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.